Once there was a king who ruled a kingdom. By his side stood his loyal minister, Arthur, a wise and honest man. Arthur loved his wife deeply. They had an 8-year-old son named Michael, and were soon expecting another child. In the royal palace lived a young maid named Lily with her mother. Lily was kind and gentle. She loved children and often played with the servants' kids in the royal garden. One evening, Lily was playing with the children when the king passed by with his chief royal guard. He stopped, smiled, and said,
"That girl loves children. She plays with them like her own."
Watching as Lily laughed and wiped dust from a child's face. The guard nodded, noticing her gentle nature. One morning, Arthur came to the palace. As he walked inside, Lily saw him from afar. She whispered,
"He's so handsome."
Then she sighed, lowering her eyes.
"He's married. I should not think of him."
Soon tragedy struck. At the time of delivery, his wife's condition worsened. He held her hand through the night, tears filling his eyes.
"Don't worry. You will be fine,"
he said. She said weakly,
"Take care of Michael."
By morning, she and the unborn baby did not survive. Arthur hugged Michael tightly.
"I will take care of you, my son. Martha, I promise."
The sad news spread across the palace. Lily felt deep pain for him. One evening, the king advised Arthur,
"You should marry again."
Arthur refused, fearing a stepmother for Michael. The king said gently,
"Marry Lily. She is a maid, but she loves children. She will care for Michael as her own."
Arthur slowly nodded. Later, Lily's mother told her about the marriage.
"It is the king's order."
Lily blushed.
"He will be mine."
The wedding was held quietly. That night, Arthur entered the room and said coldly,
"You are here only for Michael."
Lily's heart broke, but she swallowed her tears. Michael behaved harshly with Lily. He often said,
"You are not my mother."
Arthur always pampered him. One day, Lily felt dizzy. The royal doctor examined her carefully, then smiled and said,
"Your Highness, you are pregnant."
Lily shared the news with Arthur, but he showed no happiness. Her joy faded, and emptiness filled her heart. One evening, Michael suddenly cried.
"You pushed me!"
Arthur rushed in.
"She pushed me hard!"
Michael said, crying. Lily shook her head.
"He is lying."
Arthur shouted.
"Get out of my house!"
Lily begged.
"Please, I am pregnant."
But Arthur turned away. Lily returned to the palace, shattered and alone. Months passed. She gave birth to a daughter, Mealy. Kissing her softly, she whispered,
Your father doesn't want to see you, but I will always love you.
When Mealy was 3 months old, Lily went to Arthur's house.
This is your daughter.
She begged.
At least look at her.
Arthur replied coldly.
I have only one child.
Lily wiped her tears and left. That night, Lily told her mother.
I want to go to the village.
Her mother nodded sadly. After 4 years, Lily returned. One evening, Arthur saw Lily with a cute little girl at the palace gate. He stopped.
She's my daughter.
Mealy tugged at Lily's hand and said,
Mom, buy me a balloon.
Lily shook her head and went inside. Arthur stepped forward, holding a bunch of colorful balloons.
These are for you.
He said softly. Mealy hesitated.
Mom didn't buy it. But if my father were alive, he would.
Arthur froze. Then he forced a smile.
Please take these, a gift for you.
Mealy's face lit up as she took the balloons. Just then, Lily came out. She saw Arthur and stopped for a moment, her eyes meeting his. Then she said firmly,
Mealy, go inside.
When Mealy left, Arthur shouted,
Why did you tell her? I am dead.
Lily replied coldly,
Should I tell her the truth? That her father never accepted her?
Then she turned slowly and went inside. Arthur stood silent, tears falling.
I loved Martha. I promised to put Michael above everyone. I kept my promise, but I lost my daughter forever.